how to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Instagram application and click on story. So once inside, just select any of the story which you like to post. So I'll just click on this image for example, and when I try to select this music option over here, and I'll just randomly select any music from over here. For this example I'll be using this music, and as you can see at the left side of your screen there's an option called 15. So just tap on this, and from here basically you can see that, as you can see, there is no option directly to increase its duration more than 15 seconds because Instagram doesn't allow it. So in that case, what you can do instead is just upload this post or story with the particular music and just make sure to remember which part you have used on this story. So once you upload this, so just come back and simply select another story one more time, just like this. And once you select the story for the second time, just come over to music just like this and use the same music which you selected for the first time, and just click on next. And if you had remembered the correctly about how, where or which part did you use on the first story, then you can simply come over and just use the second part from that particular music. So once you do that, just click on done and upload the story. Now you should be getting two different stories with more than 15 seconds of the same music. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.